10 maintenance hacks. Every technician should know. Maintaining equipment doesn't have to be a hassle. Welcome to 10 maintenance hacks. Every technician should know. These simple tips will save you time, money, and headaches on the job. I've seen firsthand what happens when machines aren't properly cared for. It ain't pretty. But I've also met some incredibly skilled technicians who could keep those gears turning no matter what. They learned the tricks of the trade, the little things that make all the difference. So whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, stick around. We're gonna dive into 10 maintenance hacks that'll have you working smarter, not harder. Because at the end of the day, a well-maintained machine is a happy machine, and a happy machine means a happy you. Hack number 1. Less is more. Now, let's talk grease. You might think that when it comes to lubrication, more is always better. But trust me, over-lubricating can be just as bad as not using enough. It can attract dirt, clog up the works, and even cause premature wear. The key here is precision, and that's where a good grease gun with a metered output comes in handy. It'll let you dispense just the right amount of grease every single time. Hack number 2, match the grease to the environment. Now, not all grease is created equal. For high-temperature applications like those found in ovens, furnaces, or even just a hot engine compartment, you'll want to reach for synthetic lubricants. They're engineered to withstand extreme heat without breaking down, keeping your machines running smoother and longer. Hack number 3, don't eyeball it. We've all been there, squinting down a shaft, trying to get things lined up just right. But let's be honest, eyeballing it just doesn't cut it in the precision game. That's where laser alignment tools come in. Hack number 4, check levels on flat surfaces before tightening. Speaking of alignment, let's not forget about the importance of a level playing field. Before you tighten down those bolts on a frame or base, take a minute to check the level on a flat surface. It only takes a second and can save you a world of trouble down the road. Hack number 5, sound it out. They say silence is golden, but when it comes to machinery, a little noise can be a good thing. Acoustic emission tools are like stethoscopes for your machines. They can detect those telltale clicks, pops, and whirs that indicate a bearing is starting to fail, long before it goes critical. Hack number 6, go thermal. Now if you really want to see what's going on inside your machines, you gotta bring the heat, literally. A handheld thermal imaging camera can pinpoint hotspots that are invisible to the naked eye. These hotspots can reveal electrical or mechanical issues like loose connections, overloaded circuits, or failing bearings. You can literally see the heat signatures of problems before they turn into major meltdowns. Hack number 7. Color code your tools and parts for quick identification. Let's face it, nobody likes digging through a messy toolbox, especially when you're on the clock. That's why a little color coding can go a long way. Use colored tape or paint to designate different tools and parts. It's a simple system, but it'll save you time and frustration in the long run. Plus, it'll make you look like a pro, even if you're still figuring things out. Hack number 8. Create a maintenance checklist for every machine. Remember that old saying, an ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure? Well, it's especially true when it comes to maintaining equipment. Creating a simple checklist for each machine can help you stay on top of routine tasks and prevent small problems from becoming big ones. A little diligence goes a long way. Hack number 9. Build a strong preventive maintenance schedule to reduce unexpected downtime. Speaking of prevention, let's talk about the importance of a solid preventive maintenance schedule. This means regularly inspecting, cleaning, lubricating, and adjusting your equipment even if it seems to be running fine. By staying ahead of the curve, you can avoid costly downtime, extend the life of your equipment, and keep those production lines humming. Hack number 10. Invest in your skills. Listen, in the world of maintenance, the learning never stops. Technology is always evolving, new tools are being developed, and there's always something new to discover. So don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, ask questions, and never stop learning. Remember, the more you know, the more valuable you become. That's it for today's 10 maintenance hacks every technician should know. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and share this video with your team. Let's keep those machines running like a dream. Remember, a well-maintained machine is a happy machine, and a happy machine means a happy you. So So get out there, put these hacks into action, and show those machines who's boss. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.